These days, people are finding ways to wear a mask without hurting their ears, and slowly they're becoming a fashion trend. Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jujani, and today I'm going to show you guys how to style your mask in a fashionable way by using hair clips, scarf, bandana, and hair. So if you want to know some fun, easy ways you can style your mask, then keep on watching. Oh, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We talk about all things beauty and health. If that is something you're interested, then join us. Okay, let's get it started. First, we have a simple everyday look for you, and all you need is a few hair clips. Starting with the simple ones. First, grab the elastic string, pull them back away from your ears, and pin it. This is a simple daily look you can do every day. If you want something more fancy, you can style it with a bigger pin to add an accent to your outfit. How cute is that? Next, we have bandanas. This is also another simple look you can do using bandanas and handkerchiefs. First, wrap the bandana around the back of your neck. Then slip the ends through the elastic bands. And tie the bandana up and around your head. What's fun about this is that you can switch up the bandanas and match them with your outfits. Next, we have a scarf. This is a very stylish way you can wear your mask. First, grab a scarf of your choice and tie your hair up, but not too high or too low because we're going to tie our scarf back around our hair. Fold your scarf to fit your face. Now here comes the little tricky part. First, crisscross the scarf under your hair and then tie it up to create a knot. And that's it! How fancy is that? And lastly, we have a very cute style hack. First, tie your hair and put them up in a bun. Then grab your mask string and hook them to your buns. This is definitely a cute way to wear a mask, and I was surprised how comfortable it was. Ta-da! There it is. I had so much fun doing it. Honestly, I am not the pro when it comes to styling hair, but it was really easy and fun thing to do, and they're super cute. Comment down below which one you like the best, and if you have your own tips, please share with us. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!